Hey everyone, and welcome back. What if I told you that a single blood test, or even a drop of saliva you leave behind, could potentially provide information that foreign governments, corporations, or researchers might want? Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi thriller, right? But in 2017, Russian President Vladimir Putin publicly expressed concerns that foreign organizations were collecting genetic information from Russian citizens. So why are powerful nations paying so much attention to DNA? Because DNA is the blueprint of life. Today, we're diving into the dark side of genetic engineering, a technology that could revolutionize medicine, reshape humanity, and raise some very serious ethical questions about our future. Let's start with the basics. Imagine every cell in your body contains a book. Inside that book is the instruction manual that helps determine your physical traits, many biological processes, and certain disease risks. That book is your DNA. Now imagine there's a typo in that book, one that causes a serious genetic disease. What if we could simply edit it? In 2012, scientists developed a powerful gene editing tool called CRISPR-Cas9. Think of it as molecular scissors that can cut and modify specific sections of DNA. The technology was so groundbreaking that its pioneers received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2020. Many experts describe CRISPR as one of the most transformative biological technologies ever created. It has the potential to cure diseases, but it also raises concerns about how such power could be used. If gene editing can fight disease, could it also be used to enhance human abilities? In theory, scientists can modify genes associated with muscle growth, disease resistance, and other biological traits. And that's where things become controversial. In 2018, Chinese scientist He Jiankui announced that he had helped create the world's first gene-edited babies. According to his claims, the genetic modification was intended to make them resistant to HIV infection. The announcement shocked the scientific community. Many researchers criticized the experiment as premature and unethical, and He Jiankui was later sentenced by Chinese authorities for violating regulations. Meanwhile, genetic databases around the world continue to grow rapidly. Organizations in multiple countries collect genomic information for medical research, disease prevention, and biotechnology development. Supporters see enormous medical benefits. Critics worry about privacy, oversight, and who ultimately controls this data. Now let's talk about the biggest fears surrounding genetic technology. You've probably heard claims about DNA-targeted biological weapons. Current scientific evidence suggests that creating a weapon capable of reliably targeting only one specific ethnic group or population would be extraordinarily difficult, and experts remain highly skeptical of such capabilities. However, security researchers continue to discuss whether advances in genetics could create new biosecurity risks in the future. But warfare isn't the only concern. Imagine a future where wealthy families can afford genetic enhancements for their children. Smarter, stronger, healthier, while everyone else remains unenhanced. Would that create a new form of inequality? Could employers someday evaluate genetic health risks? Could insurance companies use genetic information when assessing coverage? Many countries have laws that limit such practices, but the ethical debate is far from over. The question isn't just what we can do with gene editing, it's what we should do. So, is our genetic data truly secure? Every year, millions of people voluntarily submit DNA samples for medical testing, ancestry services, and scientific research. Those databases can help advance medicine and save lives, but they also raise important questions about privacy, consent, and security. Many experts argued that strong genetic privacy laws, transparent regulations, and responsible oversight will be essential as biotechnology continues to advance. Because once genetic information is collected, protecting it becomes a critical responsibility. And now I want to hear from you. Should humanity use genetic engineering to enhance human capabilities? Or should gene editing remain limited to treating disease? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more science and technology deep dives. See you in the next one.